Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. For today's video, you won't need to buy anything from the market because we are going to recycle the stuff which lays around in our home. But before starting the video, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell right next to it so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. For the first DIY, we will need a container. You can take a glass bottle, tin can or even a plastic container. I am taking an empty glass bottle here. Now I will not just simply paint the bottle, rather I will mix the paint with baking soda. Yes, baking soda. Now I am taking some baking soda and mixing it with blue acrylic paint. Before start painting, make sure the bottle or jar, whatever you are using, is completely clean. Paint it on the bottle. You will have to give at least 2 to 3 coats of this mixture, otherwise the paint will be see-through. It's a very good way to recycle old jars and containers. This technique of mixing baking soda with paint helps to add texture to the surfaces, which gives a feel like ceramics. Let the paint dry for some time. One tip that I would like to give here is to apply first coat of varnish before making any design, otherwise the paint will start chipping off. At least it did in my case, and I had to do touch up later on. So first apply varnish and then start making designs. Here I am making small white daisies. You can make any design or leave it as it is. You can make them bright or keep it minimal, it's totally up to you. These can be used as planters or pen stand, anything. I am going to use it as a planter in my balcony. Now I am adding a jute rope on the top. You can add ribbon if you want, or you can totally skip it. And with this, my bottle cum planter is ready. I love the way how this bottle turned out. This baking soda technique was a hit for me. I hope you all liked it too and will give it a try. Now let's move on to our second DIY. For this DIY, we will need CDs or DVDs. You can take clear CD or a normal CD. I am using a clear CD. To know how to make clear CDs, watch my YouTube Shorts video. The link is flashing on the upper right corner of your screen right now, and I will also link it in the description box below. Now clean the CD and start painting it. CDs and DVDs are almost completely obsolete now, so I thought why not paint it and use it for decoration instead of throwing it away. I am painting lavender flowers here because I really like them and they are very easy to make. Keep on adding small purple dots and your flower is ready. To make your painting look even better, always try to add small details to it, like adding leaves or giving depth to it by adding deeper and lighter tones of the same color. After my flowers are painted, I am adding small white dots and stars to give an illusion of sparkle. And it's done. I will be making more of these and will stick them to my wall. You can make 2-3 more CDs like this and make a wall hanging out of it. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. It means a lot to me. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like the video and comment down below. Hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. I will see you in my next video. Bye.